In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to contact a store through the Shop app for other issues. Let's get started. First, launch your Shop app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Orders tab. This is where all your recent purchases are listed. Next, tap on specific order that you are having a problem with. Once you open the order details, look for an option that says Contact Store or the store name itself with a contact button. After tapping it, the app will give you different ways to reach the seller, such as email or sometimes social media messaging option. Choose the method you prefer and it will open a message window or email app automatically. Then write your issue clearly, include your order number and send the message so the store can assist you. If you cannot find the contact option, another method is to reply directly to the order confirmation email you receive when you place the order, because that also goes straight to the store. In case the store does not respond and it has been a long time, you can also report the issue inside the shop app for further help. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.